We'll start at the stern of our 2005 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Nice large swim platform with a ladder right in the middle. Stereo controls. Little walk-through gate. This boat does have a little sink. Extra storage with the tables. Lots of seating with lots of storage. This does have the dual captain's chairs. Both have bolsters on them. .2 Mercruiser. Full bimini top. Comes with the helm. Extra storage as well as a door to block any wind. Fully enclose yourself on those colder days. Here to the bow of the boat. Lots of lounge seating. Storage in the middle. Has the bow shower, as well as a ladder underneath there. And here's the exterior walk around of the 240 Sundeck. Trim tabs. Double prop. That's the full walk around.